Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound in Idaho. Hey, I made a new intro for my videos to be COPPA friendly or COPPA approved or whatever you want to call it. But check this out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that red button, subscribe, ring that little bell. That way you'll get notifications when I post my next videos. Alrighty? Check out this new intro. Well, everyone, what'd you think? You think that'll keep the FTC off my back and YouTube happy? All right, if you think so or don't think so, down below, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. Give me any suggestions that I might make that better. All right, and if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, click that little red button down below. Turn it gray. When it turns gray, a little bell will pop up next to it. If you click on that bell, you'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. And share this out too. Share it with your friends, neighbors, families, coworkers, anybody else that's making a YouTube video. You know, we want to keep everybody happy and on YouTube. All right, and as always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.